Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can reset your smartphone, your Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just long press to power off your smartphone. Like this, it will be simply power off or shut down. Then to reset it, you have to press on volume up button and power off button both at the same time, and then when it show the logo and vibrates, you have to release the power button, not the volume button. So let's start. First let's press on volume up and power off button at the same time, and when it vibrates and show the logo, you have to release the button. And you can see here it is show reboot and recovery mode. From here you can just restart your device by clicking on recovery mode. How you can do so? You have to just press down by clicking on volume down button and press OK by clicking on the power button. I have not to do so, so I am just rebooting. Click on press on upwards reboot and then power button to OK this, and it is now rebooting. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.